Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ray and today we're going to be talking about 5 reasons you should be making films with no money or no budget. Reason number 1, filmmaking is an art. You need to practice. When we're not doing high budget stuff, we need to be practicing daily. You could watch films every day and you could write, and that's really good practice. But it doesn't take the place of actually being on set. More than likely, your favorite director probably had years and years and years to practice. They probably started making films at 5 or 10 years old. So the second reason you should be making films with no money is because you'll learn how to problem solve. So there's some people that are really good at problem solving. They're just naturals. Like they'll come on set and they'll know automatically everything about what to do about everything, right? And then there's some people, they get better at problem solving through experience. The better you are at problem solving, the better things will be on set. Okay guys, so how long till we get to shooting? You know, I spent my whole life savings on this movie. I'm depending on everything for this movie, guys. Oh dude, you're gonna kill me, man. I forgot the tripod. Are you stupid? You'll never work in this town again. Oh dude, you're gonna kill me, man. Hey, what's wrong? I forgot the tripod. Oh, you forgot the tripod? Ah, that's all right, man. Let me see, hey, can you grab some gaff tape? We'll just tape the camera to that chair over there. The third reason you should be making films with no money is because it'll help you remain calm under pressure. Have you ever been put in a situation where you don't have that much experience and everybody's dependent on you and you're supposed to be performing at a higher level? Maybe there's money involved. Yeah, why would you put yourself in a situation where you don't have that much experience in something and spend so much money and think you're gonna do well? You need to practice. You need to be making films with no money, guys. Oh, this guy's pretty calm, you know? We're running out of time and, you know, the house is on fire and... No. You could remain calm because you've been there before. Reason number 4, making films with no money will actually kind of help you build your style as a filmmaker. Okay, so style is sort of a tricky thing. Some people see it as the filmmaker forcing themselves on the story when really they should just be using the best style that's best for the story, which is true. You know, some people believe in styles, some people don't. But if you believe in styles, making films will help you get to your style. Making films with no money will help you get to your style faster. What makes you so different? What makes your work stand out from the other person? Why can't I get somebody else to do this? The more you make films, the more you make art, you tend to sway towards different things. You feel better doing different things. Maybe you like to hold on takes longer. Maybe your sound design is different. Maybe you like whip pans. The more you make films, the more your style starts to seep into your art. Okay, reason number 5, making films with no money helps you to be resourceful. What do you have around you? What do you have to make films with? Using your resources isn't a bad thing. It actually helps you to be more creative. When I was in film school, I had a film professor that sat me down and asked, Ray, how come you always put guns in your films? I was like, I don't know, I just want it to be exciting. Well, try to make your next film without a gun and see how much better the story becomes. If you always rely on money or tropes or things you think people will like, or you fall into certain habits, you're not gonna be doing your art justice, and you're not gonna be telling the best stories you can. All right, y'all, so that's it for the video. There's so much more I could tell you about making films for no money. The bottom line of all of it is you should just practice. It's practice. If you're making films for no money, it's a passion project. Maybe that passion project could go far, maybe it could go into festivals, but it doesn't take the place of actually making films for money, paying your actors, paying for crew, paying for VFX, because when you cheap out on stuff, it will show. There should be a separation of the two, right? There's making films for no money and there's making films for money, and sometimes there could be a middle ground. So keep practicing. And if you're not where you need to be, it's okay because you're getting better and better and better.